Welcome to the Fundamentals of the Personal Data Protection Act, 2020 course preview. Does your organization deal with customers' personal data, such as name, NRIC number, address, and telephone number? Under the Personal Data Protection Act 2012, PDPA, organizations are required to appoint one or more data protection officers, DPOs, to be responsible for ensuring the organization's compliance with the PDPA. To equip DPOs with practical knowledge and skills in developing appropriate internal processes to achieve full compliance of PDPA, the 3-day course Fundamentals of the Personal Data Protection Act, 2020 has been developed. The course, which has been enhanced with an expanded curriculum and more rigorous assessments, will cover the following areas: Introduction to Personal Data Protection Act, roles of Data Protection Officer, develop a process for handling complaints relating to data protection, typical complaint handling process, considerations when developing process for handling complaints, data protection provisions and do not call provisions, create an organization's data inventory map and identify possible areas of non-compliance, training and communications to staff, objectives and outcomes of staff training and communications, considerations when developing a training and communications plan, managing data breaches, PDPA assessment tool for organizations and data protection notice generator. Who should attend this course? Compliance managers, data protection officers, human resource personnel, administrative personnel, IT personnel, sales and business development personnel, and any other person who needs to be involved in data protection matters. Let's look at what's new in the 3-day Fundamentals of the Personal Data Protection Act, 2020 course. The 2014 Learner's Guide has been updated 21 times. The PDPA law has also been updated. There are now 11 obligations to comply with, instead of the previous 9. The new obligations are the Data Breach Notification Obligation and the Data Portability Obligation. In addition, there are new requirements pertaining to the handling of data for minors and also data pertaining to cloud services. Lastly, new data protection tools and resources have been introduced. You will be guided on applying some of these tools to your organization.